Let's see the quick demo of LM Arena. Here actually that new AI, it is a new AI which have the lot of flexibility. Like there is a couple of options, like you can see there's a battle. You can just battle with two anonymous model. There is another option, you can just compare two models, and also you can directly chat. Even it can generate that image as well. Now see, this is that you can see over here, this is that battle with two anonymous models, which I just asking to how can create a game. So it is just giving that output based on that your capability of assistance. Now this assistant actually give this kind of a response, and this assistant B is providing this kind of a response. Okay, so it's kind of battles, also providing the battles over here. Even there is a flexibility, you can just create an image and also this compare this to assistant. So same things, I just create an image from here using any, if you want to use any models which is completely free, so you can use that models and all over here, choose that model and you can generate your image based on this. So I just generate this image. Okay, generate the coding image, so it is just generating this image. And also I just asked to, okay, generate a image where the AI and human fighting, so it is just generating this image, right? So this is the flexibility of this AI. This is a really revolution of this AI. And one more things over here, also you can just compare two models, two large language models over here, so which you can get that the response which a model is responding what, right? So based on this response, now see, it is ChatGPT 4.1, it is response like this based on my prompt, and the Grok 3. Preview, it is responding like that. Okay, so there's a capability that on model, so based on this they will return a response back. And even the best part over here, no required subscription, no required login, and no need to pay anything, which is completely free. So that is the main advantage of here. Now see, as of now, see over here there's a nothing over there, right? So let's get to use how we can use it, that I'll show you. So before starting this, especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, which is .NET Real World Example. So you can check out my channel, which is .NET, and you can learn many things over here. As like you can, if you want to develop a game, if you want to front and back end applications, and if you want to learn AI, how can use that AI and you can build your application, and also you can learn many things over here. Okay, so let's moving to that AI. So what is that site name over here? That is a LM Arena AI. Okay, and if you just landing this website, this official website, now see, just simple you can just use lmarena.ai. That's it. Okay, and in here if you observe, we don't have any login required over here. So that is the best part over here. So without login you can use that all that model which have that paid in other official website, right? So that is actually flexibility give us this LM Arena AI. And there's a couple of things actually they provide, like they have options like where you can just battle with two anonymous model, and there's another option there you can just compare two model, which we can choose it which model I want to choose for model first, model second. And also where option is direct chat. Okay, so let me go one by one. So first let me choose this battle. Okay, and if you choose that battle, here see is nothing, because they will choose randomly two anonymous model based on your her or him actually dependency or no recommendation. Okay, and one more option is over here. See, you can chat with your model, and also if you want to generate, so you can generate the image as well. The both option is available. Now first I'll just ask, okay, how to create a unity game. Okay, so once I ask to this and as a chat, so simply if I just ask to this, so now see, it's just creating two assistant A and assistant B. And this assistant A and B actually based on this anonymous model, they will generate their response over here side by side. You can check it over here like this. You can check, see whatever that response they're trying to get. So you can just based on this you can try and use it in your application. And similar, assistant B also is providing the response. which one if you like, so you can just use it. And also there's an option over here which they provide, okay, which one is better, if it is better, if both is bad, like that, or if it is tie, so also they are asking to that. Okay, so this is one options. And if we want to generate an image also, I can generate an image with two anonymous model. So I want to choose that one as an image. Okay, and then I want to generate a image, for example generate human, right? So see, once you complete over here, now see two image they just generating based on this here their own anonymous model. So first one is this. Now see how actually great look or design actually they created with this fight, this human and all, right? That is a nice. And even see over here also they both are just created a nice image together, right? Even same things we can change for this, choose that another option which is compared to models. Okay, so here I can just compare these two model which have lots of model over here like GPT. Okay, so if I choose that image, okay, so the whatever that image model they will uh, refer over here, right? And if I want to choose that chat, so they will refer all that chat chat model over here, right? So you can just compare both over here, right? So first I will check over here, for example which one I will want to take. Okay, cloud 3.7 and versus which one, yeah, coin 3 point or deep 6. Okay, let me deep 6. And then let me ask, okay, just create a web app for inventory management system with their sales. Okay, okay, might be my prompt is not right, but yeah, that's fine. We can check it. Okay, how actually they get that response for both models. Even see, once I get that prompt and they asking, so here you can just compare, okay, which model actually so fast, which model is giving that correct accuracy result, and also you can just compare as well over here. Now see, as of now the DeepSeek is little slow rather than this cloud 7 3.7, right? And also once you just use this code and then get that output, then you will compare also, okay, which one is better. Okay, but yeah, as of now I'm not using that, I'm not comparing, but I'm just showing, okay, how actually we can use this LM-Arena.ai. Okay, so yeah, I think that is fine. You can just compare over here. Similar, you can just compare with this image. So let me just compare with these two image also. So go to that image, continue, and just change to image for which one, like I will use that flex and versus which one. Okay, Gemini 2.0 is fine. Okay, so in this case yeah, just generate a image for human fight. I'll just use this one, copy this and just sit, and let's wait for that generating image. Now image also got generated. Now Gemini 2 and this is flex. Okay, so flex like that. Okay, this is flex and this is Gemini 2. Okay, so I think if I compare over here, so see the more clarity and all, this flex actually give that more clarity instead of this Gemini. It is just in a blur that all and all, right? So if I zoom in, so you can just compare also. See, this is just now blurring over here, but once I use this guy, it is much clear, right? So yeah, I think you can just compare like this way. And one last options over here, for example in this here, the direct chat. Okay, so in this direct chat you can just choose whatever model you want. You can just choose the model and you can just chat with that and you get that response. Okay, and for example for generating image, I'll just use some other model. For example, if I choose the Dell E3 and see how they can generate same image over here. Okay, something wrong over here I guess, but yeah, still it is taking this one. So why it is redirecting to this? Okay, so this is the problem I guess. Okay, yeah, see, this is the problem. I think they're directly redirecting. So in this case simply we can just refresh. Okay, and we can choose some other models. Okay, and now we are good. Now it is keeping this model, and then we can try to generate image. Okay, now good. I am getting that same image. Now see, that same image they're generating, which previously they're generating, but with this blur, because this model might be it's not capable to get that better image. So instead of this, I can use some other, for example this guy, and check the same prompt. Cool. Now it is generating along with this, but it is not like that our prompt, right? We are asking to fight with AI with this human, but it is generating something difference, right, as per our expectation. But yeah, it is generating. So yeah, you can just choose it which model if you want to prefer, right? So yeah, that's all for this session. But yeah, the best part over here, now see, you can just use completely free as of now. In future I don't know what they are planning, but yeah, as of now if you're trying to use, you can just trying to use as a completely free. So that's all for this session. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.